Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to uninstall applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the application. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and here find the list of my devices, and on it find your Amazfit GTR 4. Tap on it to select it and open the device page. On this page, find the option called App Store and tap on it. In the App Store, tap on the Mine category to open the list of, or rather the Mine page, and now you should see the installed category, and here you have the list of applications installed on your watch. Tap on the More button to open the whole category, and here you will see the Delete button. Tap on it. Come on. And once you open the, or rather tap on the Delete button, you will see this menu. You can basically select the apps you want to uninstall, and once you select the app, you can tap on the Delete button and tap on OK. And the application will be uninstalled from your watch. Let's uninstall the second one. Oh, my bad. Go back. Delete. Select Delete. Tap on OK. And once you remove the apps, you can close the app. And if I wake up the screen on the watch, open the menu, the apps will be gone from the bottom of the menu. Okay. And that's how you uninstall the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.